So next things I'm about to unbox for you guys today is the Amazon Basic Security Safe. I don't know what is that called, but let's open. All right, definitely. Woo! I don't know why it's so dark. Definitely can't wait to open this because this is so important as a part of living or sharing room with the other people. And you know, especially I live in the areas and also live at the first floor, so I'm going to just protect myself by the safety box. A bit heavy to lift it up, so I got, what is this? The manual, guys, I guess. First thing first, and then also this thing right here. You know, there's more than 20,000 reviews for this safety box, so that's the reason why I got it. And let's flip it up because it seemed heavy. It's not that heavy, but it's somewhat heavy. So I think this is really a common safety security safe that I always see in at hotels and stuff like that. So definitely not heavy. Okay. I cannot remember what's the size I bought. Let's check on the laptop to see the feature of this. I'm setting my laptop on top of this. So let's read it. So this is the Amazon Basic Steel Security and Lock box with electronic keypad, secure cache, jewelry, blah blah, and it's 0.5 cubic feet, 13.8 times 9.8 times 9.8 inches. And let's go through. So I bought this one for $60.43 without taxes and shippings and stuff like that. And the color is black for sure. And also the materials, alloy steel. Alarm will be locked, and the item weight is 16.5 pounds. Chamber wide at 2 inches. About his items. So 0.5 cubic feet security safe with electric locks and 3 operations indicator lights, powered by 4 AA batteries, not included. So that's why I bought an extra batteries on the sides. How smart I am. Include 2 emergency override key, which is in here, in their guide. So there are 2 security keys. Okay. To protect against forgetting password, passcodes, or dead batteries. Keep keys in a well-hidden, secure location. And this is strong steel construction with a carpet floor to protect against scratches and damage. Fire-resistant conceal hinges, adjustable removal interior shelf. Safe is not fireproof or waterproof. And pre-drilled mounting holes with 4 expansion bolts are included to mount safe to wall, floor, or shelf. Exterior measure entered, okay, and then product's weight is 17.6. There, why so much different in the about this item. Okay, so let's go to actually starting reading the manuals and set up some keypads here. Really thick. All right. The welcome guide I have in here in my hand. The A is the safe. Yes, we do have it. One of them. And then also the key, 2 of them right here. And then C is 4 of the expansion bolts. Hey, you guys understand. So the first thing, product reviews. I don't think it's open. It's not open. lock or what? Okay, I don't know. So this is, I cannot open, so how can I do this? Okay. Inside I will show you guys later then, but the outside, this is the D right here, and then okay. So let's go to setup. So setting up the products. They said, you know, pull this out, open the safe for first time. To open the safe for the first time, you will need to use the emergency key, which is this one right here. Remove the cover of the emergency lock, which is the D. D is this one. My nail sometimes is not strong enough. So okay, so let's open, and then let's use the key to open it. All right, so get the key. Turn to the left or right. Turn to the left. They haven't shown me yet. Okay, step two. Step two, turn the key to the left. Insert the emergency key and turn it counterclockwise. Turn the knob E, which is this one right here, to open lockwise to open the door. So we turn the key to the left and this one to the right. Voila. Okay, what is this? Okay, the dead box they were mentioned earlier, and then also some like protections. All right, let's go. Moving on to step 3 right here. So they mentions, I'm gonna show you guys this area. So remember, it's right here earlier. So this is the B. That area is called, they don't say it. They just say this is A, this is B, this is C, and this is D. Right? So step 3 is open the door, open the battery compartment B, and insert 4 AA batteries not included. So I will notes when the batteries run out, the battery icon will turn on, replace the battery then. Okay, so I think just slide to the left. Slide. Push. Okay, you gotta hold it, push. Let's do it. Push it. There we go. And let me go get the battery and be back. So I purchased the AA battery from Amazon, and this is the Amazon Basic Alkaline. So let's use 4 of them. Okay, the beep is on. So number 4, step 4 is with the door open, press the reset button 8. So this is right here. I'm not sure you guys see it close up for you guys. So this one right here is the reset button. So with the door, press the reset button. The save will emit 2 beeps. 2 beeps. There we go. Choose new passcode. Punch on the keypad and press the pound key to confirm. What? Okay, let me set up the passcode real quick. And if the unblock icon turns on, the new password is fully set. So choose anything and punch the keypad and press this to save it. I did not click it, but now I'm doing it with the real situations that I already set the new passcode and everything. So just make sure that you do the test before closing it. But if you have the emergency key, it should be fine. There we go. It's closely open. I'm not sure I have the video before, but basically press this, it would beep 2 times, and then basically we start setting the code, whatever you like, and click the pound pad. And then yeah, that's pretty much. And setting master code, what? Okay, so input, press key to confirm, okay, and then default preset backcloses. Close the door, setting the master code. We need to reset it with the door open. Press 0 key twice, and then press the reset button. Input new code and set that. The master code is set. I don't think I need a master code because it's really complicated anyway. Alright, that's pretty much for what we have over here for the Amazon basic safes or secure lock.